So tell us why CPS has decided to come down to the Vantage Board today.
So CPS are, particularly from the traffic section, we are very conscious of promoting road safety. And certainly with the amount of bicycles we now have on the road, we felt this was a great opportunity to work with our partners in Ford to promote road safety when it comes to vehicles and cycle interaction. What you guys have got set up here is a virtual reality cycle, and the riders can get on a bike in a safe environment and experience some of the things that car drivers will do to cyclists unintentionally. Drivers can come along, go into this virtual reality setup that you guys have got here and experience some of the things that cyclists experience by unintentional things that car drivers will do to them in a safe environment.
So what is the summer going to look like for CPS between motorists and cyclists on the road?
So obviously with the better weather, we're going to see more motorcycles out there, we're going to see more bicycles out there. And that can only be a good thing because it's healthy, it promotes the environment as well, which is always going to be a good thing. The problem is with more cycles on the road, there's going to be more interactions between cars and bicycles. So what we want to make sure is that everybody can share the road safely and get home safely or get to do their journey safely.
Awesome. So how is it to work with, for CPS to work with a partner like Ford?
So Ford have been great. This is the third or fourth time that I've been involved in these type of road safety initiatives with them, and Ford are a great company to work with and have always been very supportive of what we do as well.
Fantastic.